Sovereign House GH are looking into how the cost of living in Ghana is affecting people's mental health. Mental health in Ghana is treated as a taboo subject, but Sovereign House GH feel it is important to highlight mental health issues so people can get the help and support they need. Sovereign House GH was able to find Ghanaians who were able to open up and share how the cost of living has affected their mental state.
I have battled mental health issues since childhood. I have this personality disorder that's called the borderline personality disorder. So, mental health issues, as you raised, doesn't come as a surprise to me. And this personality disorder has brought certain sicknesses that I'm still treating till now. And though I still suffer from that borderline personality, but with the help of a therapist and a medical doctor, well, there are occasions that I get stable for a moment. Anyway, that was just by the way. But since you want us to deal with how the economic pressures in the country is affecting us mentally, well, let me use myself as an example. I'm in my middle 20s, and being a female, it's not been easy. Though 2 years back, I had worked with a firm for about 5 years and I wasn't paid. So you can imagine the stress I was going through trying to keep up. Even getting up in the morning and putting a meal on my table wasn't easy for me. And it made me slide into depression. And I must say, 2017 to 2021 was one of my worst moments living as a young lady in Ghana. There's nothing you start that you can finish. If you start a project and you don't have the willpower, you don't have that strength, and you don't have that strong-mindedness and strong-heartedness to be able to accommodate every arrow of economic challenges or struggles thrown at you, you might not be able to succeed in whatever you do.
Sovereign House GH feel that it's important to highlight the cost of living crisis and the effect it has on mental health. Here's what a few people from Ghana had to say.
Yeah, I give in because sometimes I feel there's nothing I can do. So I just drown in my sorrow till perhaps something comes out and pulls me out.
Okay, so our current economic situation has first of all affected my standard of living, my quality of life. So the kind of places I could afford to rent a year ago are way out of my price range now, which means I have to go to neighborhoods that are very far away from my workplace. So I have to spend most of my time stuck in traffic, and my transport cost has increased. Also, I can't afford as much food as I used to, so now I have to ration. It sounds weird, but I have to ration in order to spend within my budget for the day.
Okay, so I'm a 25-year-old guy living in Ghana. I used to work. I worked about a year after national service, and for now I'm not working. I lost my job somewhere around April. That was when my contract was terminated due to a redundancy, which was going on at the workplace. So all in all, I wish I was actually working now, but with my experience, 1 year and getting a job, it's been very hectic. Though I keep sending applications and all that, and it really had a toll on plans I had for the future because I had to suspend a whole lot of them. So sometimes I'm mostly in thoughts about how good those days were, where I had a job and steady income. But for now, it's all gone. I mostly spend most of my days alone, all by myself at home.
If you want to know more about the issues raised in this video, check Sovereign House GH out on our website, sovereignhousegh.com, and give us a like and follow on our Instagram and Facebook page.